Good morning. Are those your feet? Are those your little feet? Are they your feet? Yeah, they're your feet. Yeah. Yeah. You trying to get them? You trying to get them?
What is Daddy trying to get?
Her feet.
Her feet?
Yeah, she's trying to get her feet. Yeah, she's trying to get them.
Yeah, I'm trying to get your feet.
Let's see. So watch you try to get up. Try to get up. Hold my finger. Okay. Grab my finger. Get it. Good job. Other hand. Get it with the other hand too. Here you go. Faye, back up. You got it. You got it. There you go. Get it. Get my hand. You got it. Shh, babe. You can't eat me. I'm not food. I'm not food. Fave, can you back up?
I see something in her nose.
Yeah, she's got mocos.
No, in here.
Yeah, she's got, those are mocos, or boogers. She's got to get them out. Yeah, they're all dry in there.
I'm done cleaning up.
Okay, wait a minute. Have patience. Oh,
Did you know how Pops? I was trying to eat ice and it was dry. That I tried to bite it, but then it got on my lips. And I tried to pull it off, then it got my lips on it. that on my
your mama
lips.
sneezed.
Bless you.
Thank you. Now you got to learn to say bless you. You didn't say bless you? You didn't tell your mama bless you?
Bless you.
Now let her eat your hands. Duckies. She's got little duckies. Okay, Fabe. Fabe. Good morning. Let's show Daddy how your seatbelt fits now. Because you're a fatso. So he can compare the pictures, huh? Yeah. You can look at the picture when you were tiny, tiny, tiny. Yes, she was tiny. Oh, Mama's got hiccups. Oh, Mama's got hiccups, Ellie. How do you get rid of them? How do you get rid of them? Tell me.
Well, get away your hip got. Remember? When you say bless, when you say, are you okay? Or bless you. And then God will disappear the
Hold the phone.
spot, or the knee, or the hiccup. Remember? Remember, Mom?
Yes, I remember. There. Look at, show Daddy. See, Daddy, I still fit good in here. Her little feet, they hang out a little bit, not really.
Mom?
A brr. Brr. A brr. Brr.
Little mother.
Oh.
She's copying you, Mom.
A brr. Oi. 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 A broom. A boo. Brr. A brr. A brr. Brr. You blowing little raspberries? Yeah. Back up, puppy. Don't, no. You don't need to be poking her eyeball. Oh, we got slobber. We got some slobber. Boom. Boom.
Mom, you see something?
Are you pooping? Are you pooping? You're pooping, huh?
Mom, look.
Yeah, you're pooping.
Mom, look.
You're going poo-poo?
Mom, look.
I see, puppy. You're going poo-poo?
Wasn't that scary?
It was.
Look, Ellie.
You're going poo-poo. Oh.
I can't really just.
It's just not that big.
I'll just play Daddy. Ellie, hold. Hold.
A boom.
Hold.
A a Oh, bless you.
Oh, bless
Oi.
you.
She's silly, huh?
No, I'm silly.
You are silly, too. You both are. You got a silly big brother? Yeah, you got a silly big brother, huh?
Because look.
Say hi, Faith.
Mom,
Say hola. Say hi. Can't hear you. No? No hi? For the camera? You got
hi. Oh.
silly big. Quit grabbing your feet. Quit grabbing them. Quit grabbing them. Get your arms out. There you go. Come on.
Mom,
Up,
I think I know. Mom,
up, 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 up.
Mom,
Ay, she falls down. Here.
Mom.
Hmm.
I think I know
Give me your hand.
who this guy,
Give me your hand.
who that guy is.
Give me your hand.